The boy who could talk to clouds. Read and enjoy. Cloud, floating above. Hello, Rohan. You've been staring at us for a long time. What are you thinking? Rohan. Surprised, did you just talk to me? Clouds can speak. Cloud. Laughing softly, only a few people can hear us. And you, my friend, are one of them. Rohan. Wow. That's amazing. But why do you change shapes all the time? Cloud. Oh, we love to play. Sometimes we turn into animals, sometimes into castles, and sometimes we bring rain to thirsty plants. Rohan. That's so cool. But why do some clouds look white and fluffy while others are dark and heavy? Cloud. Good question. The white, fluffy ones like me bring nice weather. The dark, heavy ones carry lots of water and bring rain. Rohan. Oh. That's why it rains when dark clouds cover the sky. Cloud. Exactly. And do you know what else we do? Rohan. Tell me. Cloud. We travel around the world. The wind carries us across mountains, over oceans, and even above big cities. Rohan. I wish I could travel with you. Cloud. Well, you can. Just close your eyes and imagine floating with us. Feel the wind, see the rivers below, and listen to the birds flying beside you. Rohan. Closing his eyes, wow. I see it all. It's like I'm flying. Cloud. Yes. Always dream big, Rohan. And remember, the sky has many secrets. Keep looking up, and maybe one day, you'll discover even more. Rohan. Smiling, thank you, Cloud. I'll always look at the sky with wonder. Scene. Rohan wakes up the next morning, excited to talk to the clouds again. He runs to the same hill where he met the friendly cloud yesterday. Rohan. Looking up, Cloud. Are you there? A fluffy cloud drifts closer, its face appearing once more. Cloud. Good morning, Rohan. Back again so soon? Rohan. Yes. I have so many questions. Where do you go at night? Cloud. Ah, good question. At night, many of us float far away or become part of the mist that hugs the ground. Some of us even turn into fog to whisper secrets to sleepy towns. Rohan. Wow! I saw fog last winter. Was that you? Cloud. Maybe. We love to play hide and seek with the trees and buildings. Suddenly, the wind starts to blow, and darker clouds appear in the sky. Rohan. Worried? Oh no! Dark clouds. Does that mean a storm is coming? Cloud. Not always. But these clouds carry lots of water. When they gather together, they decide if they want to send rain. Dark cloud. Deep voice. Hello, Rohan. Don't be afraid. Rain helps flowers bloom, rivers flow, and the earth stay fresh. Rohan. That's true. But sometimes too much rain causes floods. Dark cloud. Yes, and that's why we try to balance it. Sometimes the wind helps us spread out and the sun helps us dry up. Rohan. So, the sun, wind, and clouds are like a big team. Cloud. Exactly. We all work together to keep nature happy. Rohan. That's so cool. But what about thunder and lightning? Are they angry? Dark cloud. Laughing, not at all. Thunder is just a big drum roll, and lightning is like a flash of energy. It's nature's way of waking up the sky. Just then, raindrops start to fall. Rohan. Spreading his arms, I love the rain. It feels like tiny kisses from the clouds. Cloud. That's because we are happy. We love when people appreciate us instead of running away. Rohan. Thank you for teaching me so much. I'll always look up at the sky with wonder. As the rain continues, Rohan laughs and dances in the drizzle, feeling like the happiest boy in the world.